Good morning and welcome to Flannel Hill Farm. It rained all night last night, and part of this morning. So, this is probably not my best idea, but it's got to be done. The gentleman that we borrowed the trailer from is going to need his trailer back in about a week, and we probably won't have the siding up by then. So, we are going to take care of this and try to make a spot where we can put the siding metal here to get it off the trailer so he can have his trailer back. I'm excited. Oh, here we go. It's very dirty. It's a very dirty job. Found one. So this is generally what they use to put metal and like bundles of wood on. So we're looking for about 5 or 6 of these. 4 or 5, something like that. Help keep the metal up off the ground. There's 2. Should probably go get a trash can. We got some trash we can get rid of. Oh, look it. You see the puddles? Just so wet. Just like soaked. Which we need it, and it's a good thing it's here. Yada yada. I know. Oh, our monkey. What kind of bites is there's 2 really nice ones of those things to hold the metal up, and they're underneath the metal, and there's no way that I can get to them. But that's okay. We are going to try and figure this out. You can see the dugs pooching. So I should probably put gloves on, but I hate gloves. Hate them. buddy. You're so helpful. Hey, pal. Hi, pal. I'm throwing away the little, like these pieces, the super thin pieces that went between a pallet of wood. Those won't do us much good. I will take the bigger pieces, such as the cut 2x6s, and I will put them in a pile on the other side, because those we can use for chicken coops, chicken tractors, dog houses, and such. We have actually been in the talks with a couple of people about some livestock guardian dogs, and we kind of fell in love with one that is a Great Pyrenees Red Heeler mix, and then I just found somebody that has just Great Pyrenees, so we're kind of thinking, I don't know. I don't know if we're ready for that, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Does anybody have livestock guardian dogs? If you do, what kind do you have? Why do you like them? I would greatly appreciate the insight. We've been trying to decide between Great Pyrenees, Anatolian Shepherds, just Border Collies, something. So hey Benny, can you not stand on that metal, please, bud? Thank you, pal. For all of you that have been keeping track of what I find on the property, a lot of this wire has been coming up after rainstorms. Hi, bud. Should probably go switch the tractor to the bucket so I can put all this wood in there and I don't have to carry it one by one. That's a nice hunk of zip. So, oh, that's progress. Rock. Oh, gross. We're hitting mud, Benny. We're hitting mud. Wow, I didn't realize all the extra wood we have. We have quite a few full boards down here. KK. Jelani. Lani. Here. Benny. 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 I think they're going after a field mouse. All right, take a quick break. We're gonna go over here. It actually isn't taking as long as I thought it was going to. I mean, it's not my favorite job by far, but we can come out here and look and see what we have for things that have come up. So this is the old foundation. This is where the original house was. And so we get a bunch of rock and stuff that comes up. And so I walk this after it rains within a couple of days and look for, oh look, right here. I don't know what it is, but so walk around on this and see what comes up, if anything, and try to get it before the dog's paws get it. This looks like the only fun thing. We've had a couple of rusty pieces of metal that have been up for a while. I just haven't grabbed at them yet. I mean, they're big enough that the dogs steer clear of them because they're big, but they're just like this one. Oh, here's that D-ring thing that I found the other day too. And I lost it and I couldn't find it again. So like this rusty piece of metal here. Dogs avoid it because it's so big. But I gotta get out here and pick that up too. There you are. One rainstorm, 2 new pieces of history. So that's pretty cool. What happened, you guys? Now they're all chill. I wonder if they got it. So that is my objective. I need to clear this off except for the big pieces of metal that I can't do on my own. And then I will need help to get those pieces of metal off, because them's is heavy. So I've taken up enough of your time. In the comments, let me know what you have for livestock protection dogs, what you like about them, if you would do it again, how many you have, why you recommend that amount. And on your way back down the hill, if you wouldn't mind liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting that little bell notification button. Please don't slip on the mud. And we appreciate y'all.